Alright, gonna make a quick I-beam here. Gonna do a quick tack together. These are some older plates, a little rusty, a little messy. We'll make them work though. Here we go. Got any misalignment, this is the time to deal with it. That looks okay to me. And I'm gonna weld the other side, come back and weld that first tack side too. Here we go. Alright, a little fast, a little messy. Let's come on this other side. I'm going to slow down, work on my cursive E a little bit here. Yeah, a lot smoother that time. Important that the tip of the gun's pretty clean. This one is starting to get a little dirty. I'm gonna tap it lightly, get it cleaned out. Sometimes you actually gotta get the pliers in there and clean it out real good. Looks good to me. I think it's real hot. I'm gonna hang that up there real quick. Duck this little one in the water. There we go. Find another plate. And get it on top there. Try to figure out where halfway is, and off to the races we go. 3, 2, 1. Because you're using both your hands, you will need to learn how to helmet whip to get that helmet down. I'm gonna square this just a little bit while it's still hot. There we go. There we go. Gun's too far away, so I'm just going to push it a little closer, make the arc a little more stable there. There we go. A little different travel technique. I just kind of went straight along there. Not a lot of circles, gives a different looking bead. Here we go again. I'm gonna adjust my hand here. You want a nice steady burn sound there. If it's not steady, you need to push the gun in a little closer. There we go. Nice. Final step is then to put these two together. So you just want to check the fit. And looks like we're getting pretty close there. One will probably inevitably be an overlap. It's rare when you get two perfect butt joints. Those don't look like they fit too good that way. But I am kind of liking this fit right here. So I'm going to go ahead and tack these, and then immediately manipulate the other side into something I can weld. So I'm just lining these up. Seems to be a bit of a height difference, so here we go. 3, 2, and then I'm going to whip my head down. Just a quick tack like that, and right there. Very nice. Oh, we got decent alignment. Now I'm going to tack these, otherwise they will warp apart. This one's a little more of a lap joint, butt joint. Pretty close here, it's a butt. But you get on the top there, it's a lap. So what I'm going to do now is just a little vertical down. Get it real close to the edge and do a little 2 down, 1 up. So come down 2, up 1, down 2, up 1. Here we go. Careful not to weld that to the table there, like I almost did. And let's see the other side. Let's try the other side. First side we use gravity, the second side I'm gonna actually push it, which will have less propensity to burn holes. Here we go. If you linger too long on these, if you go too slow, you are going to burn a hole. Just kept it right on the edge. There we go. Get that heat off, and then finally, we do a little corner piece here. Just figure out how that fits in there. Looks okay. Again, 4 tacks, keep this thing in place. So one right here. Okay. And then I'm going to manipulate it around. Looks like we have some gaps down here at the bottom. Let's go one right here. One right here. Going to do a little start-stop here. We finally got that together, as you can see. And then finally, same over here. And this one time looks a little more like I'm going to be prone to burning holes, so I'm going to bring the voltage down to about 16. And that should be a little colder, a little easier. Again, I'm going to use that up-down technique. Here we go. Supporting with one hand. All right. So that was, excuse me, that was the easy side. Let's do the hard side. Probably gonna have to stop halfway down, let it cool, so see a bit of start-stop technique going on here. Here we go. Again, I'm just doing cursive E's, kissing both sides as I go. Here we go. And with a little bit of patience, as you can see, you can pull those corners together too. I use your pliers, these cheap pliers, not my expensive Welpers, to cool this thing down. And there we go. Not the prettiest thing, but you see we're able to fill a gap by using that start-stop technique, forehand, and do a little vertical down. Should be a fun lab for you this week. Enjoy.